friends, I am Bharat Jagrut. In previous video, we have learn about solution. Solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Okay. What is the phase of solution? Depend on solvent. जो huge quantity में होता है उस पे depend होता है solution का phase. Now in this video we can learn about how to in the science something in some solution, how to I calculate how much this quantity. Okay, so today I am teaching to you concentration analogy. Okay, so first I have a mass percentage. Okay, W by W. What is the meaning of mass percentage? So if 10 gram glucose in water by mass, it means that 10 gram of glucose is dissolved in a 90 gram of water, resulting 100 gram of solution. Total solution 100 gram रहना चाहिए. तो mass of the component in solution and total mass of solution, it's called mass percentage. Like volume percentage is same like mass, but here we are talk about volume. Okay, so volume of the component in total volume of solution. It means if 10% is ethanol solution, it means 10 ml of ethanol in dissolved in 100 ml water. It's called 10% of ethanol solution. Third one is a mass by volume. This is a unit mainly used in a medicine and pharmacy. It means X gram any solute dissolved in 100 gram of the solution. It's called mass by volume. Any X gram, 1 gram in 100 ml, 2 gram in 100 ml. It's called by mass by volume. Okay. Then after parts per million. When solute is present in a trace amount, it is convenient to express concentration in part of million, ppm. Its short name is ppm. Okay, parts per million is equal to number of parts of the component upon total number of parts of all component in a solution into 10⁶. Then other one, mole fraction of component. Number of moles of the component. You know about mole. Mole is a gram upon molecular weight. Okay, so number of moles of the component upon total number of the all component. It means if I have solute A, B, C, D in one solution. So मैं कैसे पता करूंगा कि A के अमाउंट इन सॉल्यूशन में कितनी है, B के अमाउंट इन सॉल्यूशन में कितनी है, C के अमाउंट और D के अमाउंट. तो उसके लिए है मोल फ्रैक्शन. द नंबर ऑफ मोल ऑफ द कंपोनेंट, पर्टिकुलर व्हाट आई वांट टू नो, व्हेन इफ number of A mole of the component upon total number of mole of all the components. Okay, it's called mole fraction of component. After molarity, mainly in liquid solution we talk to concentration in molarity. Molarity is defined as the number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. It means number of moles, 1 mole, 2 mole, 3 mole in a 1 liter solution. According the concentration we call molarity. Okay. After that, molality. It is same like molarity, but different is it is defined as the number of moles the solute per kilogram of the solvent. Moles of the solute divided by mass of solvent in a kilogram. Here we are talk about in liter, volume. Molarity terms in volume and molality terms in kilogram. Okay. So this analogy we can describe concentration, composition of solute in solution, we can describe this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 type of analogy. Okay, इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो सम्स है we can we can try to after next video how to, यानी कि हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे वो सम्स, वो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताऊंगा. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए, और ये वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.